Hi, I'm Rachael from NCUK and I'm just going to talk to you today about our University Course Finder. So our University Course Finder can help you research which degree programme you could progress to with your NCUK qualification. Now the easiest way to get to the Course Finder is to start by searching for the NCUK website on any search engine. Once on our website, all you need to do is hover over our universities and click on University Course Finder. Once you're on this page, look at the subject box and type in the name of the course you'd like to study. So I'm going to use International Relations today. Once you've done this, you can filter by all universities in the university box, or you can choose a specific university. So today I think I'll look at University of Leeds. Now you can also filter by the NCUK qualification you'll be taking. So if you're taking the International Foundation Year or the International Year 1 qualification, or even our Pre-Masters qualification, you can see what the relevant options for you are. So today I'm going to use the International Foundation Year. Once you've filled in all three boxes, click Search and then scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll see all of the relevant options for you. I'm going to look at the second option on this page, which is International Relations. If I click on this box, a pop-up will appear which gives us some more information about the course. You can see here that it shows us the EAP requirements by module and also the overall points or grades that you'll need in order to qualify for this course. You can also see the notes section at the bottom, which gives us any specific information that the universities want us to know. So here you can see that candidates will need to have a social science background in order to be considered, and it's really important that you have an interest in the subject. The great thing about this box too is that we have a direct link to the university's website. So if you click on International Relations on the course page here, it will take us directly to the University of Leeds website where we'll see specific information from the university. We can look at the course overview page and get some information about what we will be studying specifically. Once you've finished on the university course page, you can go back to the University Course Finder and scroll down to the very bottom. There you'll be able to download all of the results on the page as a spreadsheet, which you can then come back to and have a look at later. So that's a quick overview of the University Course Finder, but if you have any specific questions or inquiries, please feel free to contact us on together@ncuk.ac.uk.